Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, here we go again at another classic car show. This is at Hartlepool Rugby Club. It's a beautiful day today, so you know the score by now. Let's have a full munge round the cars. Rolls-Royce Brigade.
Change the rules to suit themselves.
Let's have a quick shift. He's now he's got that up. My God, he's even got a carpet there. Wipe your feet. Never a loving there, guys. What's going on with that? There's the gorgeous stag, still for sale. She's all ready to go. Look at it. It's nice.
Yeah, for that. I've got one.
Well, it's a good turnout today.
Yep.
Seen one of them for a while. Right. The next row. There's your Ford Pops. It's a nice condition.
Anyway, that's
It's nice.
he just buys and sells, and he just says, well, he wasn't really bothered about sales. Well, I sold me 14 at resale.
Right, I'm just going around this quickly, guys. And then if something catches my eye.
At one stage we had half a dozen, and we left it and put them outside the gate. When they come back next morning, there was 7.
do them yourself in the swimming pool? No, I let you. You like should do the gear now.
It's quite a lot of cars to get round to today. Look at that, it's killer. Supercharger on the top. It's chopped as well, supercharged. That's funny. Got a hell of a chop on that.
You lost Dan?
That's a nice Fiat. Had a Meriferoni 131. I had one of them. That was my first ever car. I remember peeling the floor. Had the carpet back and the floor came up with it. Back in 1987. I've seen that one before. That's pretty cool. It's a nice Lancia. I've seen that one before. One I haven't seen before. Look at this one. I'm going to go around this now because there's no one around it at the moment. I love this, where this is just all open. Fabulous. Bench seat. So your girlfriend can cuddle into you. That's if you wanted to cuddle into you. Huge. And the aeroplane on the top, look at that. Mercury. It's kind of cute. Really, I couldn't fit in that. That's a nice SL. I really like these. That's pretty cool. 280 SL. Very nice. It's in the right colour as well. Look really nice white. There you go. 2.8 injection. It's a pretty cool TVR. Just going on these quickly now, guys. is because there's the public aren't in yet.
Oh, lots of time.
That's pretty cool. Little beach buggy. The babe on the front. That's pretty cool. Right, the two-door Cortina. That's funny, look at that Mustang. That's pretty cool. It's a lift back door.
And what was at the red phone box, yeah?
Yeah. Go straight along.
Right, there's quite a lot of cars to get through. People are so stupid. Still turning up. It's 11:15 in the morning. There's a Stag Owners Club here. I'm ready for a cup of tea. And the Aston Martin tea. With a Z-Tech engine in it. Just drop straight in.
Well, it's, yeah. Do you know what?
Well, Ali, get some polish to all that.
Well, I'm going to go and have a look in there.
I mean, next time I had one of them. 3 litre.
Oh, yeah.
I think they're pretty cool for the French. This is about it. Ford Consul, Corsair, Ford Corsair, Dead of the Man. Well guys, this is the start of the show for me. Best of show. You know why? You ain't gonna see another one. They're like rocking up shit, these cars. I say, I used to have a yellow one. I wish I'd never sold it. It went to Northern Ireland in the end. And I only sold it for £4 grand. Now these are asking. Again, crazy money. But yeah, they look so cool. So for me, this is the star of the show. Right guys, as you can see behind me, it's my favourite car of the show. These are gonna go for a fortune. Do you know why? You never see them. And they are so cool. Right, so on that note, I better get going because I've got someone coming to stay at the house. Probably got the Stokesley Classic Car Show next. So on that note, see you.